Welcome. CB2 is a natural language interaction platform. We've re-implemented and improved the serial bar scenario from Sir et al. 2019. Let's talk about the interaction. CB2 is a live multiplayer game between two players, the leader and the follower. The goal is to work together to collect sets of cards. The game is asymmetric and collaborative, encouraging communication. The leader can send natural language instructions to the follower using an in-game chat box. Each turn, the leader may instruct the follower to look for a particular card, helping them complete the set. Instructions queue up, and the follower completes them one at a time. The follower is only aware of current and past instructions. They cannot see future instructions that the leader has queued for them. Players have limited time to make their moves. In our trials with mechanical Turkers, we found that time pressure encouraged efficient use of language. Agents are incredibly easy to create. You just need to implement the agent interface, which is really mostly just one function that chooses what action to take given the current game state. Once you do this, you can integrate your agent with our command line tools to have your agent collaborate online with players, or you can simulate games between two agents running locally on your machine. CB2 is designed for extensibility. It's easy for others to configure CB2 for their own research purposes. There's a CB2 server and a Unity front-end client. We kept as much of the game logic as possible in Python on the server backend so that researchers familiar with Python can easily make changes. The Python client is how agents connect to the server. Lobbies provide a combination of game logic, leader and follower wait queues, a matchmaking process, and more. This lets you host different experiences on the same server simultaneously. Map generation is procedural and stochastic. Stochastic means that each game gets a unique map. Features such as cities, mountains, lakes, and roads have semantic meaning that users can use to describe the environment around them. The individual elements that make up the map are modular, so you can extend the map generation algorithm to create your own features. For example, a cluster of houses makes a city, but two lone houses on a road look more like an outpost. We also provide a map editor. You can put players through pre-arranged scenarios or have them follow natural language instructions you've prepared in advance. There's also a data portal, which lets you inspect games that have been played on the server. There's a live dashboard for monitoring games, bandwidth, round-trip time, and more. You can also review games through our replay mode, which lets you step through them step by step, or you can view them in real time. Finally, I want to talk about our UI. We've been through several redesigns, incorporating feedback from Amazon Mechanical Turkers. The UI is compact and stays out of the way of gameplay. Also, every button has a keyboard shortcut, allowing our power users to play the game more efficiently. We've had a lot of positive feedback from testers about the latest iteration. Thank you. Do you have any questions?